walk to village by yourself, see something in there. See school, see the bus, see the floating football soccer field. And then walk back to the wrong way. You can ask some local people. Everybody show you the way back local people. Andaman Seafood, name of the restaurant. This is the PJ Canning Company. My name Mac. Someone they know me. Okay, I work long years more than here, right? Okay. Do something by zero, see screw, see there. Can do. Many sections walk in the village there. And then walk to Lost. Come ask some local people. Name of the restaurant is called Andaman Seafood, name of the restaurant. Some owner not from Thai people, from Indonesia. About 100 meters. See some selector look like a diamond. Select like screen. This small lagoon inside. And then you can bring your phone, your camera, your smartphone. Bring the you, walk into the cave, put shoes on also. Helmet to keep you, not to take you construction. You're in there in the cave. Too dark inside, just rock in the middle. Zip your head helmet, right guys? Sunglasses? No need. Dark into the cave, leave your bag. Sunglasses, pick up the black one like this, no need.